All right, so we're going to do the chain rule, and our function is this, which is essentially the square root of 400 minus x squared. So what we need to do, the chain rule basically says we need to take like an inside function. I'm going to make the inside function be this stuff. So u is going to equal 400 minus x squared, and we'll do f of u is essentially u to the 1/2. U to the 1/2. So if you think about substituting this inside right here, you've got this. So we can take the derivative of this quite easily now. We just say 1/2 comes down, and then as you know, when you bring the exponent down, it has to reduce by 1. So that brings it down to a negative 1/2. Substituting that back in, we'll end up with f of u, f prime of u. So the next step, g of x, excuse me, this will be the inside function, is going to be 400 minus x squared. Now we do g prime of that, which would be 400 just goes away, and you end up with negative 2x to the power of 1. So this becomes negative 2x. And now that we have f prime and g prime, we can put them together, because the chain rule essentially says f prime of the inner function times g prime of x. So let's assemble that. Let's take f prime of u and just put that down, 1/2. And instead of u here, let's actually put what u equals, the 400 minus x squared to the negative 1/2. So you can hopefully see that this is basically just replacing the u here. 1/2 u, which is 400 minus x squared, and then you got the minus 1/2. Now times g prime. G prime of x is minus 2x. And so this would be our derivative, f prime of x. There you go.